Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Really of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate my apartment guys. I'm going to change the look. In my previous video guys, I installed those smart shades and I didn't put any curtain guys. You know I love curtains, so I make my home look more beautiful. So that's why today I decided to add my window treatment. And guys, I really love how my home turns out. If you want to see everything, make sure to stick around to watch the video till the end. One other thing I love to do, and guys, behind the scene, I always put covers to my chairs because my chairs are off-white color and they tend to get dirty very easy. And I have children and I love lighter color furnitures. So the best way for me to protect my things is to have covers whenever I'm serving dinner or lunch, doesn't matter. So I always cover them just to prevent them from getting stained over. And guys, one of the things that I love to do is to change my rugs because this week you can come and my home is a vibe, and the other week it's something else. And guys, since that's something I love to do, so that's why I'm sharing all my decors with you guys. As you can see, I'm moving my planter to another place because, you know guys, I'm changing my bedroom, and that's a great way. Again, you change your thing places. In this way you're going to have another look without spending any money. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel guys, I do product review, I do clean with me, DIY, home decor. Guys, if you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be who I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. The candle holders, I thrifted them a while back. I really like them. They look so natural and have a little hint of orange, not too much, but you see it's pretty nice and goes perfectly with my decor. And the candles as well. Guys, I have my house full with candles because I love them. I love to put candles throughout my home. And those pillows from TJ Maxx, I think it's from Home Goods, not TJ Maxx. And I love them. They're so pretty, and they are velvet. And the green one from Amazon, and the toe blanket, if you see my last video when I did my shopping haul, it was from Burlington. And for my dining area guys, this candles holder, I got them from Amazon a while back, I think 2 years ago, but I never used them. So as I was cleaning my garage and I saw them, I said yes, I'm going to use them in this video today. It's good to shop your home because you never know what you have. I didn't remember that I have them until I lay my eyes on them a couple days ago. So yes, they're so pretty and I'm going to put them together, so it's really nice. So I didn't want to put too much things in my table today, but I think it's pretty how it turns out. So yeah, I really like it. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si vous la première fois, moi je te bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille amis. Dans la vidéo, ça va montrer nous qui j'aime moi décorer ti appartement moi pour automne. Sur email, pas oublier la grand commentaire et puis like vidéo et comme ça ou supporter channel là pour more vidéo. Et si pas la première fois tout, moi dis merci un peu pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos. Moi amen. Guys, I got the perfect glass from TJ Maxx. It's been a long time that I couldn't find them and they're so expensive elsewhere. So I was able to find it. It was $3.99 and I'm glad I did. And guys, this garland from Hobby Lobby, I bought it a while back. And I'm using the black placemats just to go with the rug that I have in the living area. And guys, you know, in my decor, I add everything that have a little hint of black. And for those plates, they're so beautiful. I have them for a long time, guys, but I haven't used them. My son say, Mom, you have to take inventory of your garage before you can go for shopping, because what I always do back then, I've been shopping but never have time to make videos. And you know guys, I work, I'm a nurse, so I've been working a lot, so all the things that I have, I never realized that I have them. So guys, that's what I'm doing right now. So shop my garage and make those beautiful videos for you guys. And these are the same candles that I use in the living area, guys, and I love them. They're super nice and they are brand new. I got them from the thrift store. It was the whole pack that has more than 20 candles. It was like $2, so I'll just jump on them, but I have them for a while. I just save them for the nice time. So as you can see, guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it, or if you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. For the entryway, guys, I left the same vase because I like it, and it goes with my decor as well. I just changed the lamps, and then I add this new black shade lamp, and they are my DIY and they go perfectly with my decor. And guys, as you can see, the home is very beautiful. Just let me know in the comment down below if that's something you will recreate in your home. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and keep on watching.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive. I don't know anybody that could...
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon ami, merci guys. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager à tous mes abonnés. Un grand merci mes amours pour votre support. Je vous aime. If there's anything in the video, guys, that interests you, I'll try my best to leave the link in the description box down below. So feel free to check it out.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, and I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, and I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, not even if I tried. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, 'cause I need you by my side.
Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.